I'm going to be using the Urban Decay NYC palette, and I'm going to be using mostly these two colors, Kush and Money, and I'm also going to be using this Maui Wowie. As you can tell, it's like almost gone. So the first thing I'm going to do is take a brush like this, and I'm going to dip it in both of the colors, both of the green colors. So I'm going to dip it first into Money and then Kush. And then I'm just going to sweep it across the lid. It's very pigmented, so you don't need to use a lot. But I like to just blend those colors together because it just makes a really pretty combo. After I go in with that brush and those shadows dry, I like to take another brush like this, just something a little bit more flat. It's a little bit harder. And then I like to dip that into the more green of the two, which is the Shadow Kush. And then I just spray it with my e.l.f. setting spray. So after I dampen my brush with the e.l.f. setting spray, I just kind of like pat some more of that really green money color just to give it more of like a foiled kind of look. Just makes it look more holiday and more like shiny. It's really pretty. And then I'm going to wipe this brush off, and I'm going to go in with the same brush. I'm just going to go in with that gold color, this Maui Wowie. And I'm going to dampen the brush again and then just go ahead and do the same dabbing motion so that we get some of this pretty like gold flecks over the green. You guys can see how pretty that is. I hope that the lighting isn't horrible in here. I don't know what's going on with the lighting lately. I guess it's just like the weather. But what I do is I just put that gold all the way up, kind of like almost into the crease here. And then I'm just going to blend this all out with a clean, fluffy brush like this, which I've used before. It's also by Urban Decay. It's the dual ended. I'm going to go ahead and blend this all out with a clean brush first. And then I'm just going to go in with a brown eyeshadow. You can use any eyeshadow. This one is actually one that I used before in my other holiday tutorial, and it's actually, they don't sell it anymore, so you could just use any brown shadow. After you've blended that all out, I like to go in with Money. Again, it's the darker green and a little bullet brush like this, and I just kind of go ahead and like put that right under my lash line, just to kind of give it some more depth. And then I'm going to go in with a black liner and put that into my waterline. Now that I have my liner on, I'm going to go ahead with this Big Look Pure Minerals mascara. And I'm just going to do a little coat to my lashes, but I am going to apply fake lashes for this look.